Fellow Rosans, good day to you all. I am Ganiat Omotola Awoyemi, the National Deputy President for this grade school, Remo Secondary School, Shagamu. I am inviting you all to the 79th Founders Day celebration of our grade school. It starts with the entire sport this Monday, 3rd February 2025 by 11 a.m. All of us must come together to celebrate our grade school and rejoice with the present students on the field during the entire sport. Let's come around and share them all. Let's come around to our soul students and come and showcase our skills once again. Let's remember the old times while we were in school. Let's come and share up our different houses on Monday, 3rd February. Then when it is Tuesday, this Tuesday, 4th February, it is time for the 79th Founders Day celebration proper. It starts with the Thanksgiving in the morning. The Thanksgiving will start by 9 a.m. in the morning, Tuesday, followed by the prize giving. Come and share the students up once again. Come and have the reminiscence of when you are here in the school and you are collecting prizes and you are clapping and you are rejoicing. Come and rejoice with them. Then immediately after the Thanksgiving, all of us are so students of this grade school. We will now bond together, we rejoice, we celebrate ourselves. So we are looking forward to seeing you this Monday, this Tuesday. Don't be left behind. Up school, up RSS, up Rosans, we are great for God and Fatherland.